Hello everyone, it's me Nelson here and welcome to my channel. It's been a while since our last video. I have been facing some issues with the mic and so on. In this video I will show you how to download the Anaconda Navigator and how to use the Jupyter Notebooks and so on. In the further videos we will be discussing all the Python topics in using the Jupyter Notebooks. So you should have a clear understanding of how to use Jupyter Notebooks. Okay, now I will show you how to install the Anaconda Navigator. You just take the Google Chrome and first just type Anaconda Navigator download, and you can see here the individual edition Anaconda. Yeah, just click on the first link and you will see the download button here, Anaconda individual edition. Just download, and you can see here that it started downloading. It's already installed in my computer, so I will be just cancelling it. When you try to install the exe file, you will get to see two options to tick. Like the first one will be something like use Anaconda Navigator as a default, and second will be use the Anaconda, like Python interpreter of Anaconda Navigator as the default, or something like that. There will be two options. Just untick both of them, like, because you already installed a Python interpreter, so there is no need to make the Anaconda Navigator Python interpreter as the default. Like when you are installing Anaconda Navigator, it already comes with an inbuilt Python interpreter, but you already have an interpreter in your computer, so there is no need to install make the new one as the default. After the installation part, you can just take the start, and you can see here Anaconda 64-bit, and just click on that, and you can see here that the Jupyter Notebook. Just double click on that, and you can see here that Jupyter Notebook is loading up because it's a web-based application, so it will open up in Google Chrome. And if you want to just make a new Jupyter Notebooks, just press here new, and you can see here that what should be the terminal, like kernel will be like, just click on Python 3, and you can see here that a new Jupyter Notebook is loaded. So if you want to change the name of the Jupyter Notebook, just double click on, I'll show you, just double click on untitled, and you can type whatever name you want. Yes, my notebook, let me type, and press rename, and you can see here that the notebook is renamed to my notebook. And there will be several options like file, edit, view, insert, and so on. Like in file, you will be having an option to save and checkpoint. Like if you are in the middle of a project, you can just save and checkpoint and then close it, and your status will be saved in the directory here. And there is one option to download the Jupyter Notebook as different files. Like you can type the code here, and I just wrote print hello world, and if you want to run the file, just press shift plus enter, and you can see here the output as here. And if you want to, there are one more options, like with the code cell there is also one markdown and several others like that. So if you want to make the cell as markdown, either you press here and just go through the code, then make it as a markdown. Then you can just write text here. If you want to describe your code or document your workflow, you can use the markdown function. Like, or otherwise there is one more option, like you can just press on the left side of each code cell here, and you can see in the green color turn to blue, and then just press M in your keyboard, and it will automatically convert it to markdown, and you can write different text and press shift enter, and it will be only recognized as text. So there is several other options, like you can press here and add a cell above. Like in this case you can add a cell above by pressing A for above, and you can see here that a cell appeared above. And if you want to make a cell below, you can press B in your keyboard, and you can see here that it is appeared. And there is several other options like cut, copy and paste. Just press X to cut this cell, and if you want to paste it, just press anywhere and press V, and you can see here that it's paste. And if you want to copy this, just click on to do everything you have to click on the left side of the cell, and when the green color turns blue, then you can press C, and you can press anywhere else and press V, and you can see here that this cell is copied and pasted here. And there are like several different options in the markdown itself, like the heading font can be chosen different ways. Like I'll just show you an example, like just press hash and press something, then you can see here that the markdown size is increased. And if you press double hash, sorry for that, double hash, then you press enter, the size will be a little reduced. And there are several other options, like to make the text bold, to make the code inside, even the code inside the markdown. And there were several other, like just to comment on the code. And like comment also still works in the code, right? Like if you want to comment like this, it still recognizes as a code, but you can add the codes here too. Yeah, that's all. And we will be discussing all our future videos using the Jupyter notebooks, and we will be also adding a video just to show different types of markdown, how to use markdown in a proper way, and where are the cases when you have to use the markdown, and so on. And yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching this video, and if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. That's all. Thank you.